Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and Vic Law Guru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing a case law on the topic malice under the law of torts. Okay, in this video we will be discussing the facts of the case and what was held in the case. Okay, so now first we will discuss what was the facts. What are the fact or what is the fact of the case? So here Flood and Walter was a shipwright or shipbuilder who was employed on a ship. Okay, and they were liable to be discharged at any time. The other fellow workers objected to their employment as they had worked for a rival employer or a rival company. Allen was a trade union representative or the leader for the other employees working on that ship. He approached the employers who had employed the workers as well as Flood and Walter. He told them that if they did not discharge Flood and Walter, then the other employees as well as Allen would go on strike. The employers consequently discharged Flood and Walter and refused to employ them again. Flood and Walter brought an action for maliciously inducing a breach of contract, as the workers Flood and Walter was employed on a ship on the basis of a contract. The court held that Allen had not violated any legal right of Flood and Walter. There was no legal right for them to be employed by employer, and Allen had not carried out an unlawful act and had not used any unlawful means or illegal means in procuring the employee's dismissal. Okay, and here also the Allen was found to have made a representation to the employers of what would happen if they continued to employ Flood and Walter. He relayed the events of what he believed would happen and the employers believed them. Okay, now this was not considered to be an obstruction or disturbance of any right. So it was not the procurement of the violation of any right. I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. And if you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such video. For then, stay safe. Thank you.